Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube Vanced not working issue in 2024. You can troubleshoot and resolve YouTube Vanced issues by understanding these potential reasons. Ensure a smooth viewing experience with the following solutions. First, check internet connection. If you're facing issues with Vanced YouTube not working, check your internet connection first. Ensure a stable internet connection for video streaming. Make sure your Wi-Fi is functioning. If not, switch to mobile data or vice versa. Try resetting your Wi-Fi or using a different network to see if it fixes the problem. Second, install the MicroG app. If you're encountering issues like YouTube Vanced keeps stopping, you might need the MicroG app for proper support. Download MicroG to fix the problem and ensure smooth operation of YouTube Vanced. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Install YouTube Vanced. Step 2. Disable Chrome temporarily on your device. Step 3. Install the MicroG app immediately, but refrain from opening it. Step 4. Download and install the YouTube Vanced app again. And last, open YouTube Vanced, sign in, and enjoy the enhanced features without issues. Note, you might encounter a pop-up error message during app installation. To bypass this error, follow these steps. Go to Settings, click Additional Settings, and select the Developers option. Locate MIUI Optimization and turn it off. Now, you can access the YouTube Vanced app without encountering any issues. The third option, clear cache and data. Accumulated cache and data can result in performance issues over time. Clearing cache and data refresh the app, potentially resolving playback or loading problems and improving overall efficiency. Step-by-step for guide. Go to your device settings, find the app section, and locate YouTube Vanced and select it. Then, choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Fourth option, disable battery optimization on Android device. Android's battery optimization settings may hinder background processes of YouTube Vanced. Disabling battery optimizations ensures that the app functions seamlessly, particularly with features like background playback. Step 1. Navigate to your settings and in the Apps section, find YouTube Vanced. Then, click App Info. Now, click Advanced and go to Battery Settings. And then, choose Don't Optimize. Now, the last option is seek an alternative for YouTube Vanced app. If persistent issues persist, exploring alternative apps becomes a viable option. Identifying and trying other YouTube mod apps can offer a temporary solution while developers work on fixing issues with the YouTube Vanced. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.